All right, about to go live on YouTube. What's pumping crypto under 10 minutes? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Got to see myself first. What's up? There we go. All right, good to have you guys here. This is Southside Crypto. That's just a name they just kind of made up, and it's probably going to change. But let's do it in 10 minutes. See on the screen there, we got the bubbles. Crypto bubbles for the day. What's doing well? Bora, Gala up 30. They gotta love to see it. HNT, Runes, Sand up 10. I thought there's Bitcoin up 2% today, but for the week it's big. Look at everybody pumping. Following the Big Daddy though, because I think Bitcoin is up 8.7. Was up 10 for the week, so it's falling back a little bit. But that's the key though, guys. Is that and I'll get to. In fact, I'll get to it now. So on the screen, you see we if you follow me on TikTok and on YouTube, you know I tell you this every day. When we were down at 32, 33, 34, right? Could we have gone back to 29 and retested it? Absolutely. That's the key base support. We did not. I thought that we would. We didn't. That's a good. This is very, very bullish right now. Bitcoin's key resistance was 41. We're above that, but we got to have that follow through still. We still have to follow through. I know crypto wants 24/7, but you still want to see 2 daily candles above 41,000, which we're working on the one. We're going to see the 2, get some follow through, and hopefully this in the head fake, right? And then as you can see right here, you can see what we did. We got down to with that 34, 33 level. Boom. Goes all the way back up above the 41. You can see where the 41 is, cutting through here, right here. That was a key level as we move up. The next, you could say 44 is a key level. I don't really believe it is. I think the next really key level is right there at that 52.6. It's really, let's just call it 53. We got to have that follow through at 53. At that point, I get real bullish. I'm bullish now. Give me 42, 43 for the next couple days. I get real bullish, but that 53 is the key level that we need. Like nothing, good things are happening now, don't get me wrong, but we need Bitcoin. Even if you don't like Bitcoin, and I say this on my TikTok lives all the time, even if you don't hold Bitcoin, you don't like Bitcoin, you got to root for Bitcoin, right? The key levels in Ethereum are 2,900, which we're at now. Really the psychological level at 3,000, and then the next level of interest in Ethereum is 3,600. So we get 3,600, good things will start to happen. A lot in crypto, and then the next level is 3,900, and that will be big. So there you go. This is the Fibonacci retracement, and this is where we need to be up in this. So to me, the buy zone's really above. I think you can nibble above this 44, right? But the buy zone to me is really above that 53. That is Bitcoin. All right, Netflow. Let's go buy flows last 3 days. This is key. So in USD, we had $3.8 billion going into crypto. Most of that went into Bitcoin at $1.5 billion. In Ethereum was, let me find the stake there. There it is. Was 1.2 billion. Now USDT, as we know, that's probably a little bit more sophisticated investors, and certainly the whales. Look how much went into Bitcoin. 12 billion. We got Ethereum 2.49 billion. So to me, this kind of indicates the whales are buying Bitcoin, right? It's good to see. Whales are jumping back in there. I'll give you some more stats on some other things. Other things that are flowing into that are big, Chainlink, Loshiba, Near, XRP got 405 million the last three days. Dot's got 300 million. Phantom 367 million. And then what's that? Luna got Luna's almost got $1 billion. Luna is becoming, guys, I'll be real honest with you, the DeFi standard. Not gonna lie to you, I'm seeing a lot of good things, especially if you like passive income. Look into the Luna ecosystem. I'm not gonna go into it here. I know some of you are going, I don't like the peg to the UST. I know, but I'm just telling you, I see a lot of flows going there. All right, what is Reddit talking about as far as crypto? We all know Bitcoin, Ethereum, Link is number 3, Algo, Dot, Cardano, and Solana, right? The whales, I don't think the whales are really barking today. Let's see if we got anything different. It's a 50-50-50 split on buy and sell. It's very, very good to see. It is good to see, too, though, that we had some big buys on. This is Friday right here, and this is Saturday right here. So we saw some big buys initially on the morning of Friday, and we continue to see them. Now, understand, ETH is in green, blue is BTC. So you're seeing some $5 million buys along this line. Very, very good to see. Why is crypto pumping? Let me give you just a couple of things that I see. One, not really pertains to it, but understand that Shiba, in the past 24 hours, there have been a total of 17 million Shiba tokens burned, and 10 transactions so far. A total of 400. I'm going to get this wrong, guys. 400. It looks like billion Shiba tokens, 41% have been burned from initial supply of 1 quadrillion so far. So that helps. But here's why I think I just wanted to get that in there for my Shiba guys, because I had a Shiba on my Telegram channel and they're asking about Shiba, so I just want to get that. All right. So why is it pumping? So we had India kind of clear up. So they are going with crypto. Crypto's going to be taxed at 30%. Could that kill it? It might. I mean, ordinary gains, 30%. It's just that's a very steep hill. Number 2, the IRS over here. If you haven't heard, Joshua and Jessica Jarrett took the IRS to court. IRS said, okay, you're right, going to refund it, but what do they take it for, right? In the civil lawsuit, right, they asked for a refund on income tax paid in 2019 on the receipt of on Tezos tokens that were staked. 8,000 tokens, 800 tokens that were staked, right? The IRS basically ruled for at least them, right, that we're going to give you a rebate. So how this kind of works is that what I thought was when you basically you stake it, and those stake rewards, I would think those would be taxed. But it was explained to me like a farmer. So think of it like this. Say the farmer plows a field, the corn grows. He stores the corn. The corn has value when it grows and it's picked, right? He stores the corn for maybe 6-7 months until the market's ready for it. That's when the farmer gets taxed. Same in the staking world. We get these rewards for the staking, right? But we should not get taxed until that actually hits the market, just like the corn. There you go. That's how it's explained to me. Also understand, the IRS is now. Look, I pay my taxes. I pay my crypto taxes, which are going to be. I'm not going to be huge this year, but they're nothing to laugh at. Point is you need to pay your taxes. Number 1, you need to. Let me just be straight with that. Number 2 is that I think that you can get a little bit aggressive with the IRS. So make sure that you have a CPA or whatever software you might use to do your own. I think you get a little bit more aggressive. That being said, because the IRS is so understaffed, and they've been that way for probably 10 years, right? Probably more than that. But now with crypto, they need to bring on crypto, and it just cost them so much money, government so much money to track down these guys. So unless you're just a huge whale, and they have contracted chain analysis, right? I get that, but how big can that be? Even if it's $1 billion contract, yes. But are they going to go after guys like me? No, because I'm not a whale, right? If you're not a whale, I don't think you really have to be in that. So I think you can get aggressive. Still think you need to pay your taxes, though, right? So that's what I'll say about that, and that is why I believe that crypto is also pumping. Also know that Cardano hit 3 million wallets. It surpassed that. That was on Thursday, in fact. And then what else? Looks like Solana's kind of cleared up a few things on their blockchain. That had been going down. I know that's been a big problem. I know people have talked about it, but chains freeze up all the time. All right, and that is about it. So I hope I did that in under 10 minutes. I hope that that helps you out for the weekend. I will do a insider stocks. I know a lot of you guys will watch me for that, but there's no insider trades that I really like. So let me look at the hedge funds, and then we'll go there. So with that being said, guys, I appreciate you being on here. Thank you very much. We will see you next time. With that being said, what's your six? Go hard to paint. We'll see you.